So around 4 or 5 years ago, I wrote an utility called fshare to share a file. No shenanigans of going to a website, reading their privacy policies. I wanted a simple solution that I can share a file from the terminal right away without worrying too much about other things. So utility is simple. You type fshare and you can specify the path of the file, like I want to share test.py. And here we go. You have test.py. If you don't know where your file is stored, you can just type fshare and here is it. And now you can type which file you want to share. For an example, I want to share something off sync license. Off sync license. Just press enter and you will have it. Or else you can specify the path, a directory path from which you want to execute the fuzzy finder. So I only want to search in the watch directory. So I want to share like alert script to somebody and press enter. That's how easy it is. So now I will come to my browser and paste the URL. You don't need to copy it. It copies automatically. And you have the alert, script. Now you have to copy this one because I executed it again. Okay, so copy it and paste it. And now you can see you have this script. Why this browser is so crazy? Yeah, so here's your Python script. But what this thing is, okay, so the URL is, it shares your token. So if you immediately execute this line right away, if you accidentally uploaded something, you can delete it. Keep in mind, this URL will expire after some time. So it is only for accidental reasons. So if you press it, now this file should not exist. So if I go over here and press enter, it does not exist anymore. Okay, so that's how easy it is to upload a file and to delete an accidental file upload. Not just that, if you just like you happen to clear your terminal and you don't remember what was the sharing URL and what was the delete URL. So our history is maintained at .fshare on the home directory. So here's it. I want to delete the first file too. So I can copy it, paste it. Okay, so first of all, I will go over here and see if this script exists. So this script does exist and I execute it and I do refresh. It's deleted. Okay, that's how simple it is. Now let's talk about the script. The script is fshare, is uploaded on my GitHub. You can go ahead and check it out. It's fairly simple. Here's it. So what we are doing, the default expiry is 24 hours. You can increase it, you can decrease it. It depends upon the site that I will gonna show you in a few minutes. If you control C exit, you can specify the path, which directory from which file you want to share or from which directory you want to share. And if you don't specify a path, it will default take the directory as a home directory. Okay, it works on Wayland and Xorg. So if you're using Wayland, you gotta have WL clipboard, or for Xorg it's xclip to copy the clipboard. If you don't have these utilities, then you won't be able to automatically copy the uploaded URL on your clipboard, but your script will be uploaded to the server. Moving forward, this is the condition for checking. If you are not specifying a path, it will execute fzf. Otherwise, it will take home as a default directory from where you can select which directory to upload. This is the real gist here. We are specifying the expiry and the file that we want to upload to this server. We will visit this site. Okay, now this is the token. This is token which we saw here. This one, the token, it allows you to delete a file. Okay, but this token will expire after some time if you know how sessions work. So if you accidentally uploaded something, then you can immediately delete it. Keep in mind, after some time you won't be able to delete the file, but we have a condition here, it will expire under 24 hours. So that's other thing. And that's all the script. It's damn easy. Now let's visit to the site that I'm talking about, 0x0.st. So sorry for the dark light mode, but the minimum age of a file could be 30 days, maximum could be 1 year, depending upon your file size. The maximum file size is 500 megabytes. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, you can specify the expiry, and you can specify in days. I usually keep it under 24 hours. Sometimes I make it 1 hour because I don't need other things. Why do I trust it? Many utilities, Linux utilities, trust this site for sharing logs. I'm not recommending you sharing your logs, okay? Like archinstall logs. So archinstall uses this utility for sharing any errors. So you can go on the community and share it. As you can see, it's a very fairly known tool. So that's why I trust it. And if I go to fshare, and from here you can copy it, download it, whatever you want to do it. Keep that in mind. This service is not for sharing any credentials, any sensitive information. It is just use and throw kind of stuff, okay? So don't share any confidential information. Use something like assignments or something non-sensitive like your code base, which is open source, you want to share with your friend. You can do that. I don't even share my resume on it because it will have some information like contact information. You want to avoid that too. So keep that in mind. Don't share that kind of shenanigans, which can put you on risk. I recommend you to download this script under ls. If I do user shish user local bin, so you can access it from anywhere on your terminal, so you don't need to worry about it as well. I will make few changes, like you can change the expiry, but for now this is the tool that you can use. I hope you liked it.